Senators sitting for another full day of questioning as they attempt to dissect both sides' arguments in the impeachment trial of President Trump. Yesterday, senators asked more than 90 questions, but now there's one big question looming. Will 4 key Republicans jump the aisle and vote in favor of hearing from witnesses?
I thought the questioning period yesterday was very good for us.
In the Senate chamber, 32 hours of questioning underway.
Our caucus is totally united.
And in Washington, anticipating Friday's looming vote about whether senators will hear from witnesses and see additional documents.
If Senate Republicans vote to endorse these ideas by shutting down a fair trial, they could spell the end of presidential accountability as we know it.
4 Republicans will need to vote in favor of witnesses. So far, Senator Mitt Romney has indicated he will vote with Democrats. Senator Susan Collins said she likely will too. Now all eyes are on Senator Lisa Murkowski as the third swing, but the 4th potential vote remains a mystery.
The fate of much of the future of how this republic conducts itself is on the shoulders of 4 Republicans.
And this morning, the president's counsel, Alan Dershowitz, tweeting, quote, "I did not say or imply that a candidate could do anything to reassure his reelection." After yesterday, he appeared to excuse the alleged quid pro quo, saying, quote, "A president does something which he believes will help him get elected in the public interest."
When you have a client, you do everything in your power to argue that the law and the facts are on your side, sometimes pushing the truth just to make sure that your client will win.
As questions kick off today, Chief Justice Roberts refused to hear Senator Rand Paul's query, apparently because it included the name of the alleged Ukraine whistleblower.
I think it was an incorrect finding to not allow a question that makes no reference.
Rand's question, which he later shared with reporters, asked if the person in question had a close relationship with the White House and if they'd plotted to impeach the president.
It's not about the whistleblower. My question's about 2 people who are friends, who work together at the National Security Council, who have been overheard talking about impeaching the president years in advance of a process that then was created to get the impeachment process going.
Anticipating a vote on witnesses as the nation bears witness. And with this major vote on witnesses looming in the not-so-distant future, there's one more circumstance you might be wondering about, and that's a tie. Democratic senators say they're not even thinking about that right now. They're just focused on getting those 4 key Republican votes on their side. But Republican senators say there's a lot of uncertainty about what would happen in the case of a 50-50 split. We'll see if they have to cross that bridge when they come to it. From Capitol Hill, Joey Safchik, Medill News Service.